guys, ang magandang araw na naman sa inyo lahat. This is All Day Daddy and welcome back sa aking channel. Kung bago ka pa lang, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin na video. Alright guys, so for today's vlog, we will be cooking beef stroganoff. Perfect for the family. Pwede sa lunch and pwede sa dinner. And yung pinakamagandang part dito is yung sirloin, tenderloin, or yung ribeye. So kailangan kasi yung pinakamalambot na part ng beef yung ating gagamitin for this recipe. Napakadali, napaka-creamy, and surely na napakasarap itong recipe na to. Tara, samahan nyo ako and let's start the cooking. And these are the ingredients of our beef stroganoff. First in line, beef sirloin, all-purpose flour, beef stock, butter, mushroom, Worcestershire sauce, heavy cream, sour cream, garlic, Dijon mustard or English mustard, and of course ang ating kangkong or spinach. Pwede natin gamitin. Alright guys, so first thing we need to do is to cut the sirloin into small pieces and make sure to season it with salt and pepper. After the seasoning, we're going to set aside yung beef habang piniprepare natin yung ibang ingredients. Next, we're going to cut some other ingredients like garlic and ang ating mushroom. Next step is we're going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil sa ating griller. So, gagawin lang natin dito is scatter natin yung beef and we're going to sear for 30 seconds. Magkaiba kasi yung searing sa cooking. Ang cooking is yung totally maluluto yung ating beef or tinatawag nilang well done. Ang searing is process lang to ng pagba-brown ng meat. As long as mag-brown na yung meat natin, then pwede na siyang i-set aside. Next step is we're going to heat the pan and add the butter until mag-melt. Make sure na nasa medium flame lang tayo guys since madaling mag-burn ang butter. We can now add garlic as long as the butter was already melted. Cook for 1 minute or until brown color. Next step is we're going to add the mushroom. We're going to cook it until yung color ng mushroom is golden brown. Make sure to mix well para ma-evenly distribute yung mga ingredients natin and mas mapalabas natin yung flavor. Ayan, okay na yung mushroom. We can now add the flour. Make sure to mix well para ma-incorporate na maigi yung distribution ng ating ingredients. After that, you can now add the beef stock. Then simmer lang natin for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes guys, check nyo lang yung consistency ng sauce kung properly na-mix yung flour and beef stock. If okay na yun guys, we can add the heavy cream, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, and lastly, ang sour cream. We're going to simmer this for 3 to 5 minutes. Yung proper kitchen etiquette kapag titikim kayo ng pagkain is dapat meron kayong spoon and yung inyong ladle. So dapat magka-separate. So tsaka kayo kukuha ng konti. Hindi titignan. Sakto. So kaya tayo nagkaroon ng isang ladle and spoon is sa proper hygiene ng pagkain. Kasi siyempre lalawayan natin yung pagkain before may kakain pa ng iba. So much better na meron tayo ng separate spoon and ladle while tasting the food. So may tendency kasi na may iba na dinidirect nila and then tinitingnan and then kukuha sila ulit. So madaling mapanis ang pagkain and then may kakain pa ng iba. So it's not good. Kailangan lagi tayong magkaroon ng proper hygiene when it comes to cooking. Lastly guys, check natin yung consistency ng sauce. Dapat ganito siya kalapot. Ayan. Next step is we're going to add yung sinet aside natin kanina sa sirloin. Then you can also add yung kangkong or spinach. Simmer lang natin siya for 3 minutes and then kainan na! Hindi naman matatapos kung hindi natin titikman. Let's see. Diba? Natin. Ayun, ang sarap. So, naghalo talaga yung creaminess ng beef sa mga ingredients. Kaya napakasarap. So kung nagustuhan niyo yung video na to, don't forget to share sa inyong mga friends. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page at All Day Daddy. And sa aking Instagram which is All That Day That Daddy. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye for now guys!